Guys, welcome to my channel today. Today I am going to show you guys how I do my box braid. I usually like to do my box braid in the summer, in the fall. It depends. Anytime, any day I do my box braid. But usually sometimes when I'm lazy, I have my mom do my box braid for me. And when I'm not lazy, then I can do it by myself. But today I've decided to show you guys how I do it. So I'm going to make a video on it. But right now I have a twist on. A twist. So I'm going to take down my twist and I'm going to wash my hair. And I'm going to condition my hair. So I use the biotin shampoo and conditioner for my hair. So I'm going to, I usually when I wash my hair, I leave it on for like 15 minutes, the conditioner, so that, my hair can soak in whatever it is the biotin conditioner have. And that's what I do. But before I go ahead to tell you guys all the stuff, I would like to tell you that I do not use comb on my hair. Yeah, my mom, when she braids my hair, she definitely uses comb because she cannot stand my nappy hair. She will comb it. But I do not like to use comb on my hair because I believe that black hair doesn't like stress. So my hair is all twisted out and ready to be washed. So your girl is going to wash it and do exactly what I've told you in the beginning. Now I have my conditioner in. So this conditioner I am going to leave in for 15 minutes, sometimes 10 minutes, because I just like it to sit and let's see what it can offer for my hair. That's what I do, okay? And once it's time, I'm going to go wash it and let it air dry. It's all washed out. I have a leave-in conditioner in it that I got from Walmart. And I have my coconut oil. I think that's the only two things that I put in my hair for today. So what I'm going to do, that my hair is a little dry. Not completely dry. A little dry. I'm going to section out my hair in 4 sections. I'm going to put my hair in 4 sections. I like to braid my hair that way because it makes me feel like, it's going fast. I don't know, for some reason it makes me feel like my hair is going fast when I put my hair in sections. I'm going to do that, and I'm going to braid one section at a time. The hardest part about braiding your own hair is the sections. Trying to section out a hair, making sure the parts are clean. That was the hardest part in doing it. And I was also trying to do it on a video. So that was really hard for me, but it's okay. It's possible. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start braiding one part of the sections. And yes, my hair is a little bit wet. It's fine because, girl, I don't comb my hair. I need it to be a little wet. I need it to be a little moisturized. So I do put a lot of conditioner in my hair because I know I don't comb my hair. All I have is my fingers. I need it to be very moisturized and wet as possible. Yeah, I do use comb obviously to do my parts because that's the only way I can get it to look clean. But that's the only time I use comb, honestly. Anywho, I'm going to go ahead and section out my hair. And once I do that, and then I'm going to get my extension ready. Obviously I'm doing my hair by myself, so I have to do everything one at a time. My extension is not ready yet. Still struggling on the parts. Like I said, it's really hard getting your parts right. But before I braid my hair, I like to put shea butter on the roots of my hair. Why do I do that? I like to keep my roots moisturized because I don't want it to dry out, and I don't want it, because even though it's wet, I don't want to get carried away that, oh, it's moisturized, it's fine. So just to be sure and secure, I like to keep my roots moisturized. I am using the Expression hair extension to braid my hair. This hair extension is full. I'm gonna tell you, like, full and long, and it was too long. I didn't want my hair too long, so I'm gonna cut it into 2 and just braid my hair with it like that. I don't want it too long. So what I do is, if I cut it into 2 and it's like, oh, too short now, I put the extensions in a way that it's uneven so that it's still long. I'm going to show you what I mean in this video. So you divide it into 2 and then put it in a way that it's uneven. That way it's still long but not evenly long, if that makes sense. And that's how I'm going to braid my hair. See, it's still long but not evenly long. That's how I do it because I don't want to waste my extension because it's long. But at the same time, I want to, make sure that it's not too long and too uncomfortable for me. But see what I did there, and it still ended up being so long. Like this was almost to my like almost to the waist, but not really to the waist. But you get what I mean. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair, and remember, do not forget to put shea butter at the roots of your hair because it keeps your hair moisturized. And I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna obviously this video was fast forwarded. Now that I'm done with the first section, I'm going to go ahead and start working on the second section of the hair. And I'm feeling myself. Okay. So I'm going to work on the second section of the hair as what I did in the first section again. Part it. It was really hard getting those parts right. But we got it done. And after that, I'm going to, don't forget, shea butter at the roots of the hair. And I'm going to say that for this hair, I only used a pack of the extension hair and a little bit more from another pack. I didn't even use up to half from the other pack. That's how big this hair is. And also my hair wasn't thick, so it was really, I really made it big because I didn't want it so thick because it's the summer and I don't like being hot. But yes, that's how I did my hair. I did it, it took me, let's say, 4 to 5 hours, and I did it. I got it done, but I didn't style it the night I got it done because I was so tired. I had to put on my show Criminal Minds because I was like, oh, the back is the worst part to get done. It's really, it hurts your hand. You're tired. You're trying to make sure your parts are right, and you're doing all you can. But hey, I got it done, and I just wanted to share with you guys how I get my box braid done. And that's it. Thank you for watching. So this is the finished product. I know I didn't show you guys everything, but when I finished it, I did it yesterday, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to bed. I am tired, I need to sleep. But I think it took me like 4 to 5 hours to do it myself, and I just did my, baby hair. I'm not really a big fan of baby hair, and I did my makeup, and I'm not a makeup artist. Definitely not. Still learning. And I decided I want to show you guys my finished products. Okay. There are so many ways you can style your hair, but I just feel like summer is coming up, and box braid is the way to go. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.